Looking for the best dashcam front and rear setup for your car? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best front and rear dashcams available right now. I'll break down video quality, features, ease of use, and overall value so you can figure out which one gives you the protection and recording quality you actually need. Popular review sources consistently compare factors like video clarity, night performance, and smart features when ranking top dashcams. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Rover 2-4K Dual Dashcam Front and Rear, Starvis 2 Sensor, free 128GB card included, 5G Wi-Fi up to 20 MB per second fastest download speed with app, 4K 2160p/FHD dash camera for cars, 3-inch IPS, 24H parking mode. If you're looking at the Rover 2-4K Dual Dashcam, you're probably not just trying to buy any dashcam, you want something that feels more premium and reliable for daily driving. In the US market, this model is best known for combining sharp 4K front recording, front and rear camera coverage, and a feature set that feels more advanced than many basic dashcams in the same category. It's one of those dashcams American drivers often consider when they want extra peace of mind for commuting, road trips, or protecting a newer vehicle. In real-world US use, this type of dashcam fits perfectly for commuters, rideshare drivers, highway travelers, and anyone who spends a lot of time behind the wheel. Whether you're sitting in stop-and-go traffic on your way to work, driving long interstate trips, or parking in crowded apartment complexes and public lots, having both front and rear recording can be extremely useful if something happens and you need evidence later. One of the biggest strengths here is the 4K front camera resolution. For US drivers, that matters because clearer footage can make it easier to read license plates, street signs, and vehicle details, especially during daytime driving. The Starvis 2 sensor is another major advantage because it improves low-light performance, which helps during night driving, parking garage situations, or early morning commutes when lighting conditions are poor. Number 2. Dashcam Front and Rear, 1080p dash camera for cars, 3-channel car camera front rear and inside with 32GB card, loop recording, night vision, HDR, 24 hours parking, G-sensor. If you're considering this 3-channel dash cam, the biggest thing that makes it stand out in the US market is coverage. Unlike standard front-only dash cams, this one records the front, rear, and inside of the vehicle, making it especially attractive to buyers who want maximum visibility around the car. In the US, these types of dash cams are particularly popular with rideshare drivers, delivery drivers, and parents who want extra monitoring inside the vehicle. In real-world American use, this dash cam is often installed in Uber, Lyft, or delivery vehicles because the interior camera can record passengers while the front and rear cameras capture the road. The biggest strength here is the 3-channel setup. Having front, rear, and cabin recording creates more complete coverage than most standard dash cams. If you regularly have passengers, transport kids, or do gig work, that inside camera can be incredibly useful. Night vision and HDR help improve visibility in lower light situations, which matters for US drivers who commute early in the morning, drive at night, or work rideshare shifts after dark. Parking mode and G-sensor protection also add value by helping capture incidents when the car is parked or when sudden movement is detected. However, there are trade-offs. The biggest one is resolution. While 1080p is perfectly fine for general recording, it won't look as sharp or detailed as a 4K dashcam. If your goal is maximum clarity for reading plates or distant details, this won't perform at the same level as premium models. Also, because it records 3 camera angles at once, footage can sometimes look more compressed compared to higher-end dual camera systems. Another thing to consider is complexity. A 3-channel setup means more wiring, more installation time, and more camera positioning to manage. If you hate dealing with setup, this can feel like extra hassle. Number 3. 4K plus 4K dashcam front and rear, free 128GB card included, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi dash camera for cars, built-in GPS, G-sensor, 170 degrees wide angle, 3-inch IPS screen, 24H parking mode, support 512GB max. If you're looking at this 4K plus 4K front and rear dash cam, what immediately stands out in the US market is the dual 4K recording setup. That's still considered a premium level feature because many dashcams only offer 4K in the front and lower resolution in the rear. For American drivers who care heavily about video clarity, especially for insurance disputes or accident evidence, that extra rear resolution can be a major selling point. In real-world US driving, this kind of dashcam makes sense for commuters, highway drivers, rideshare workers, and anyone who regularly parks in public lots or busy neighborhoods. If you spend a lot of time driving in traffic-heavy cities or on fast-moving highways, sharper footage can help capture more detail when incidents happen. One of the biggest strengths here is clarity. Higher resolution footage generally helps with seeing road details, signs, and potentially license plates better than lower-end dashcams, especially during daylight. Clear video quality is one of the most important buying factors experts highlight when comparing dashcams. The built-in GPS is another practical benefit because it records speed and location data, which can be useful if you ever need to prove where an incident occurred. The included 128GB card is also a plus. A lot of US buyers hate when a dashcam requires separate purchases before you can even use it, so having storage included makes setup easier right away. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi is helpful too because faster wireless transfer means less waiting when downloading clips to your phone. Number 4. 70mm Dashcam M310, dash camera for cars 1296p QHD, smart dashcam front built-in Wi-Fi, 130 degrees wide-angle FOV, WDR, night vision, iOS/Android mobile app, loop recording, parking monitor, time-lapse. If you're considering the 70mm M310, you're looking at one of the more budget-friendly, minimalist dashcam options in the US market. This model is best known for offering simple front-facing protection and a compact design without overloading users with unnecessary features. In real-world US use, this is the kind of dashcam many people buy for basic commuting, first-time dashcam ownership, or older vehicles where they just want some level of accident documentation. It's good for everyday driving to work, school, errands, or short highway trips. One of the biggest strengths here is value. Many Reddit users specifically praise 70mm products for offering good performance at affordable pricing, with some calling them excellent value for money. It's compact, discreet, and doesn't clutter the windshield much, which a lot of US buyers appreciate if they dislike bulky electronics. The 1296p QHD resolution is better than standard 1080p, so it offers improved sharpness without requiring massive storage like 4K models. It also includes features like Wi-Fi, parking monitor, loop recording, and night vision, which gives it enough functionality for everyday drivers. But there are limitations. This is still only a front camera. If someone rear-ends you, you won't have rear footage unless you buy a separate rear setup. Also, while 1296p is solid, it won't deliver the same detail as premium 4K dashcams. Experts often note that sharper resolution helps, but dashcam effectiveness depends heavily on lighting and motion handling, not just specs. Number 5. Wolfbox G9 3010-foot rear-view mirror camera with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 4K dashcam front and rear with WDR, touchscreen rear-view mirror backup camera, parking monitor, reverse assist, includes 64GB card and GPS. If you're looking at the Wolfbox G930, you're not just shopping for a dashcam, you're looking for a hybrid rear-view mirror camera system. In the US market, this model is best known for combining dashcam recording with a digital rear-view mirror display, making it popular among buyers who want both safety recording and improved rear visibility. In real-world US driving, this is especially useful for trucks, SUVs, vans, and larger vehicles where rear visibility can be limited. If your back window is partially blocked by cargo, passengers, or vehicle design, this type of system can make everyday driving easier. The biggest advantage here is the mirror camera functionality. Many users specifically praise the wide rear field of view, saying it improves visibility and helps reduce blind spots. The touchscreen mirror design also feels modern and gives your interior a more upgraded look compared to traditional dashcams stuck to the windshield. Another strength is versatility. You're getting front and rear recording plus reverse assist for parking. That makes it useful not just for accidents, but also for parking, backing up, and general driving awareness. Mirror-style dash cams can provide a premium experience when installed correctly. Those are my picks for the top 5 best dashcam front and rear options. Each one offers something different depending on your budget and the features you care about most. Whether you want better night footage, smarter features, or just reliable everyday protection, there's a solid option here for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.